In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add phone number on Remitly. We'll walk through the exact path you'll use on the website and make sure your details are saved correctly, so your account stays secure and you can receive important alerts about your transfers. Start by opening your browser and going to the Remitly homepage. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log in so you can access your account settings. Once you're on the homepage and signed in, look to the top right corner of the page for your name or profile menu and click it to open the account options. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to the main area where you control your personal and security details. In the Settings page, select Profile Information. This section is where Remitly keeps your basic details, including your phone contact. Scroll or look for the phone number section. When you find it, click Edit. You'll now see a field where you can enter your number along with a drop-down to choose your country code. Start by selecting the correct country code for the phone you want to use. You can usually search by typing the country name or by scanning the list until you find the right code. Next, type your phone number in the field. A few quick tips here. Enter digits only and avoid special characters or spaces unless the form adds them automatically. If your local number starts with a leading 0, don't include that 0 after you've chosen the country code. Just enter the remaining digits. Make sure this is a number you can access right away, since Remitly may send security notifications or verification messages to it. When everything looks correct, click Save. After saving, you should see your updated number reflected in the Profile Information section. In some cases, Remitly may prompt you to verify your number with a code sent by text or call. If you see that prompt, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete verification so your number is fully active on the account. If the Save button is disabled, double-check that you've selected a country code and entered a valid number length for that country. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing the page to load your updated profile. And that's all it takes. You've opened your account settings, found your profile, updated your phone number with the correct country code, and saved your changes. Keeping this up to date helps protect your account and ensures you never miss important notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.